Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to delete all the restore points saved in System Restore on your Windows 10 device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu and you want to type in recovery. Best result should come back recovery right above control panel. Go ahead and open that up. And then you want to select where it says configure System Restore. And now you want to select the configure button underneath configure restore settings. So go ahead and select that. And then there is an option to delete all restore points for this drive. Select delete, select continue, close out of here, and select OK. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.